8.5 billion views, 7.3 billion views, 4.7 billion views. And it doesn't stop there. This channel has countless videos crossing the 1 billion view mark again and again. And for kids, it's a daily routine they don't want to stop. That's exactly what's happening on a channel called CocoMelon Nursery Rhymes. They've uploaded around 1,800 videos, not 10,000, not 50,000. And they built a machine that's pulled in over 200 million subscribers. 200 million. That's larger than the population of most countries. And here's where it gets even more shocking. The estimated monthly income, somewhere between $546,000 and $8.7 million every single month. And yearly, estimates range from $5.1 million to $82 million. That's not hype. That's not exaggeration. That's what happens when you build a content system that scales globally. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Yeah, but that's a massive production company with a giant team. And you're right, today it is. But here's the part that matters to you. You don't need a Hollywood studio. You don't need millions of dollars. You don't need a team of 50 animators. What you need is strategy, structure, and the right AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replicate this model, not by copying their brand directly, but by copying the format, the style, and the system behind it, using simple, easy, and 100% free AI tools. I'll walk you step by step through the entire process. Watch this video. I recreated this exact method.
Beep, beep, the bus is here. Let's go on a ride today. Hop on board, let's give a cheer. Hip, hip, hooray. The wheels on the bus are big and round. Big and round, big and round. The wheels on the bus are big and round as we ride all through the town. The bus goes round and round. Let's all sing a happy song. Wave goodbye, we had such fun. See you next time, hooray! Bye-bye, everyone.
If you're serious about building a channel like this, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Let's get started. Step 1. Idea generation. Here's the trick. Start by taking a screenshot of the front page of the channel you want to emulate, in this case, CocoMelon. Next, upload that screenshot to ChatGPT and type something like, I want to copy this channel. Please provide me with a channel name and prompts to generate a logo and banner. Then hit generate. ChatGPT will give you a few channel name options along with prompts you can use for your branding. Pick a name that clicks for you, then grab the prompt for the logo. Take that prompt and head over to Gemini AI. Paste the prompt into Gemini, hit generate, and just like that, your channel logo is ready. Do the same for the banner. Copy the banner prompt from ChatGPT, paste it in Gemini, hit generate, and boom, you now have a professional-looking channel banner in minutes. No design skills required, and it looks clean, polished, and ready to grab attention. Step 2. Video generation. Now that your branding is locked in, it's time for the heart of the channel, the videos. First, go to the most viewed video on the CocoMelon channel and copy the link. Then, open any YouTube transcript generator, paste the link, and hit generate. You'll instantly have the full transcript of the video. Next, copy that transcript and paste it into ChatGPT, asking it to remove the video timeline and clean it up. In seconds, you have a ready-to-use complete rhyme script. Here's where it gets fun. Take that script, open Gemini AI, paste it in, then paste the video link and use this prompt I provided you to generate scenes for your video. Hit generate and Gemini will produce a full set of scenes for your video. To turn these scenes into clips, copy the prompt for the first scene, paste it into Grok AI and hit generate. Your first scene is ready. Again, copy scene 2 prompt, paste it into Grok AI and hit generate. Your second scene is ready. Repeat same steps for scene 3 and just like that, you have your full video broken down into ready-to-use clips. It's fast, it's easy, and the AI does all the heavy lifting. Step 3. Song generation. A video without music is like a story without energy. It just doesn't hit. Take your cleaned up rhymes from ChatGPT and head over to ElevenLabs. Click music, paste your rhymes, then hit generate. ElevenLabs generated your kid song. You can still edit, then download as MP3. Now you have your custom music ready to go for the video. Step 4. Combine clips. Finally, it's time to put it all together. Open CapCut, drop in in all your clips and arrange them in order. Add your generated music, adjust timing if needed, and make sure everything flows perfectly. Once it looks polished, hit export. And just like that, you have a fully AI-generated, professional quality video ready to upload. And that's it. Step by step, you've taken a top-performing channel, broken down the process, and recreated it using free AI tools. Thanks for watching.